Yeah.
Diabetes? Help me, dude. Oh my God, what am I gonna do with all this? Freeze while I get a chance. Damn, man. Huh?
Shoulder.
Yo, it's worse when you don't play me.
That's what I'm saying, because I haven't been playing.
Way worse. You know, Cairo? We're going there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I mean, I don't get good games. I get whatever game you get, but people be there. I pull out steam too. Because in this weather, it's cold, right? Yeah.
Do that again because we got scared when everybody came out and was like, yo, what are you doing? Off the guy. He had to, you know, he had a little piece of chicken on the top. Walked up the sidewalk, walked around, went straight to the barrel. Like, yo, what's this? You know? This, I said, listen. I said, the guy wants to start with you like that. Oh, this guy, come out of here. Then he's trying to pick it up. He took the teapot out. I said, all you're doing is boiling water. You know? It ain't a crime. You boil water. So, you got pissed off. Just think about it. You try to get a pan. This guy's burning his hand. So he put the second back, pick it up. Drop it. Everybody said, yo, what you doing? Then Handball was coming. There, he wasn't coming in the ball. Freshy. So the guy picked up the garbage bag, put it back in the garbage, took the garbage bag, he took it, put it on top. Outside of the gate. I'm sorry. We got another garbage bag.
He's probably more curious than anything. Like, you know.
Nah. Park department, they like to fuck with people. So they got fucked up.
Yeah, I mean.
But why should they resort to that? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, come on, son. Like, I understand, you know, we in the park and, like, a couple of things we shouldn't be doing, but we ain't hurting nobody or bothering. Like, let's say we drinking and stuff. You know, them niggas come and fuck with us. Like, why? We're not bothering nobody. We're not hurting nobody. Yeah, we're not going crazy. You know what I mean? Like, come on, son.
It's safety because no kids can go in there and get it. We won't allow them to go in there.
They see it different. They see, oh, this is good stuff from the department, you know. They get confused. That's all it is.
But it's stupid because we're not burning anything.
Yeah.
There's no bag in there. There's no garbage in there.
That's the weird thing. That's the dichotomy. Cause like we're doing it for safety, and they wondering what the fuck is going on with like what they put down.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's on.
I was standing over here earlier. I I didn't realize I was blocking shit. But he just finished turning it on when I walked in.
I think I'm gonna walk it home. I'm fucking waiting. I've been playing out. I gotta start.
Nice shot.
You gotta start coming out.
Where you get that shot from?
You gotta start coming out more often after because, you know, next 2 weeks is like, you know, holidays, so like I know, you know, people ain't gonna really be playing.
Yeah, I'll be up there.
Yo.
But that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna be off because
Hit up the chat. I'll answer. If he don't bring out, he brings out the steam all the time. I'll bring it out too. If it's at 175, that's where I go.
But that's what I'm saying. But like after the New Year, because like, you know, the holidays is coming up. So
No, that's what
I'm
I'm
gonna
saying.
be with family, like, you know.
Even before, if you got time, just hit it up.
Right after this. One day, the whole week.
Yeah, but I work.
Yeah.
By the time I got out, it was dark. So it's like weekdays is I can't do it. That's what I'm saying. Like I'm trying to get these jobs. Like I got like hours about it. So I can play more.
That's the other thing. Like the sun goes down so quick, barely got time.
That's what I'm saying. Like on the weekends I could do it. Like after the New Year, the weekends I can come on.
Yeah, hit up the chat. I'll answer.
But you know, like a weekday, nah. So I got home. It's dark. Now if I get those other jobs I'm applying for, then it'll be easier. I'll have.
You ain't been at the indoors, have you?
I went one time, but that's just long, bro.
The lines?
No. I'm saying the drive. That shit's
Oh
long.
yeah. That's true.
When I used to live in Brooklyn, I used to go to Zariga like 4 or 5 times a week because the train is fast. I ain't gotta rely on nobody. If I go to A1, like let's say I play like 4 games straight, I'm dead. I don't wanna play no more. I gotta wait for my ride to finish his games, you know, and then to dip. Like I don't like to rely on people. I'm sorry.
I hear you.
Like that's. I get tired and I want to dip. I just dip. That's me, you know. I'll give the bread. I'm like, yo, come on.
I surprised Shane was there. I asked him, said, you rode your bike out here?
Shane, when Shane went?
Last night.
Where? He was out there?
Who drove him?
He drove himself.
Oh, he drives?
I was talking to him. I said, you sure you ride your bike out here?
Woo!
I heard him talking
That
about
he drove himself and then he was drinking. Bro, that's crazy.
y'all get home safe, man.
You was there with Sebastian?
Nah, Sebastian didn't come.
So who you went with? Like
He came by himself. And Mike and Ann came together.
well, good. They
And then the other 4 people came in one car. You know?
Nice shot.
I was sad. I said, they stayed there. They didn't drink it. We're all waiting for the smoke to came back in. And then
Okay, Jose.
drink it up. My time's over.
hopefully you got home safe, man.
Yeah.
Like don't get me wrong. Like you shouldn't be drinking and driving. Like there's times I do drink and drive, but I don't get drunk
Yeah.
and then
Yeah.
drive. Like I have like a beer or two, you know, like regular.
Wait, he's looking at handball.
But yeah, if you seriously like fucked up.
There's that point, right?
Yeah,
There's that point where it's like
you just black out. You don't even
Yeah.
know what the fuck going on. Like I'm just saying that.
We did that a few times with this. And I know that. Not to say that I used to play with the ball.
I don't get me wrong. Like, I love my drinks, but I don't like that feeling of being drunk. So I never let myself get to that level. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I don't like that. And then the next day you like, you know,
Yeah, I prefer to drive.
groggy. You know what I mean?
I prefer to drive high than drunk.
Like, it happened to me one time, and that was it. I heard no more. Because I was drinking one night, and on that while I was drinking because I was trying to feel I had a toothache. I said, girl, let's get fucked. Drink this. This will kill the pain. Yo, I'll fucking drink it. I said, oh man, too late, man. I was knocked out. You woke me up. Too late for work.
You got drunk again. Yeah, you just fucking, yo.
Shoot you right back into it.
You don't look too good. I said, nah, I don't feel good. I said, nah, go home. I had to go back home. And I said, after that,
At least they said, you know, go home, man.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? You know, some jobs are like, nigga, go change and work
You
it all.
made the right decision. You took it well and you learned from it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. A lot of people like that. They do it and they just keep on. You know, God forbid, like it takes a fucked up instant to, you know, to make people change.
I said it up.
Like me in general too. It's the same thing. Like, I used to, when I was in the military, nigga, I used to get fucked up. Fucked up, like, yo, you don't remember shit, nigga.
Yeah,
And
it's part of it, right?
And I used to drive a lot. Like that, like I'm talking about, like, nigga, there's times that, nigga, I remember being at the party, I'm next day, I'm in my bed, nigga, how the fuck I got here? And niggas like, yo, you drove home. I'm like, nigga, I don't fucking remember, boy. And that shit happened a lot. Like, you know, luckily, like, nothing happened and shit, but you know, like I said, like, you know, after a while, I learned, like, you know, I was getting older and, like, a little more mature, and I was like, nah, I ain't trying to be like that, man.
I thought that was going on. All right, came back. So when I come here and go to Brooklyn, and you go through the Snake Road, I don't even remember how to do that. I'm past that shit. I'm like, what's the gas man? Yo, I know. I ain't.
Yeah, that shit happens, man. Like now, like I drink, like, you know, my girl don't drink as much, but I be drinking. Like I drink everywhere we go, I drink. But I know, like I don't get fucked. Like if I get fucked up, we at the crib. You know what I mean? I'm at the crib, I'm gonna get fucked up. But like outside I have like a beer or two, a mixed drink, like another beer or two, and that's it. Yo, one time though, was it Christmas, I think? Yeah, last Christmas, we went to like a Christmas party, and yo, it was open bar, and I was like, fuck. Right? But, you know, me and my girl, you know, I drove, you know, my girl's brother's car and shit. Like, I don't gotta work, so I drove his car over there, and it was in the city. And nigga, yo, we was just putting on her boss's tab, nigga. Yo, I ran up all the drinks, nigga. I wasn't like drunk, but I was feeling good. I was good. Shit, I had to fucking drink like mad bottle of water, man. So I tried to like, you know, zane out. I was like, yo, I ain't doing shit. Yeah, but I'm gonna get a party. It's about to get back soon.
That's my time.
I don't know, Johnny. Talk to him, Johnny.
Another half an hour.
Games are games right here, baby.
What was that last game?
Oh, we lost. They won. What score? I think we had 8 or 9. Okay, I'd rather give these guys W's than the guys that 175. Niggas at 175, they'll brag about that shit for years. Like, oh, remember that one time I beat you? After, you know, you smoked them like 100 times?
Yeah.
But I beat that one time though. That one time what? When nobody was playing in fucking 20-degree weather? Like, come on. Come on. You gonna count that as a W, bro? Come on. Yeah, this summer I wanna make a push in the beats. So I'm trying to get better jobs, I can get better hours, play long in the summer.
Stand up! I'll take it!
Let's go.
You practice that, Jose? You practice that?
They pay you something?
And then after that, August, you get big check. You know, like come over to set up like 2 weeks before the September starts. And then like another week first. The third week of September, that's when it starts taking out the check out from somebody stuff like that. You know? But great.
What school here?
Yes, 135.
35? What's that at? Hillside?
Yeah.
Oh, that's right there.
Yeah.
That's right there from me. Yeah, that's literally in front. You gotta take like probably the Q30 over there.
Yeah, right there. Q1.
Oh, yeah, look at that.
Q1 take you right. Right to the school. You walk down the block. The ball covered. Inside the back of the school. That's where the ball goes.
People play? They got handball courts?
Yeah, they have all. That's why we built the Tyrone when they were young.
Oh. Oh, that's yeah, I'm super rusty, bro. Yeah. It's just like I see the game plan, but
it's not executed.
Yeah, nothing goes the way I'm envisioning, and then then I just gotta deal with the consequences.
Yeah.
It's like you know, it's just like.
I mean, when you play
like
regular, it's a different game.
Yeah, if I was playing every day, it'd be different. I don't play every day. I'm not.
Plus, this is Steamball too. That shit is different.
Well, not really. It's the same.
I mean, it's all the same, but it's different.
I'm just lucky.
Yo,
I'm still able to keep up.
You gonna practice the same way you do? Hell no. It's
different. Fucking go to the moon.
Yeah. It might go over this fucking.
That's what I'm saying. It should go to the moon.
Know what I mean? Yeah. Nah, but I like it though, cause like your reflex develop crazy.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I say still. I was like, I'm surprised I'm still able to keep up with this shit. I was like, yo, my mind, I was like, I'm gonna go play Steam for. I was like, I'm gonna try. You shouldn't be zooming behind me. I'm gonna be like, you know, like super slow. But it wasn't that bad. A couple of times I felt I was faster than the ball. Like, yo.
Yeah, one of the tips that I heard from Steamball is you gotta run up on the ball.
Yeah. It's like snowball. You gotta step in. You gotta step in. You can't back up. Cause once you back up, yeah, that shit's gonna keep.
And that helps me a lot because I don't like to stay up too close because I get jammed.
Yeah.
But with this, I feel like, all right, now I got you. You know, it's coming fast.
Yep, I'm got about here, guys. Yo, nice seeing you, bro.
Thanks for the Skittles, bro. Purple's my favorite.
Nice. Good game. Yeah, Matt. Good for yeah, good game. Take care. Good play.
Oh!
The
Let's go.
adjustment.
Yo. You probably would have called block still.
One thing to finish right there.
I'll take that one.
Ball.
Yo, let me get that one, Rafi.
What type?